This is Don Hurst at Highland Hill Farm, and this is the gun that we recommend for the coming financial collapse. This is a Browning. It's a 5-shot, 12-gauge shotgun. It's real good in case somebody's trying to break in your house to steal your food or steal whatever you have that they want. Give them this first. Now, we recommend buckshot, double-aught buckshot. It's fairly cheap, and you put 5 rounds in there, and as fast as you can pull the trigger, the buckshot will come flying out. Guaranteed to put a hurting on somebody that's trying to break into your house.
And this is in good condition.
Yep, and we do like Brownings here at Highland Hill Farm. So if you have a Browning and you don't want it, well, bring her on. We need it. Because the coming financial collapse is coming. Even Wall Street advisors are telling you to stock up, arm up, and be prepared. Do you have an abandoned field at your habitat that you want to improve? This abandoned field has been left idle for over 15 years, but it needs a lot of improvement to have better cover for deer hunters. Some inexpensive trees and shrubs that could be planted on this site and that will do very well would include shrubs such as viburnums, witch hazels, winterberry hollies, even the red twig and the yellow twig dogwoods. For small to medium-sized trees, I would put in eastern red cedars and maybe multi-stemmed river birches. And for larger trees, I would put in green giant arborvitaes and spruce trees. At Highland Hill Farm, we have a variety of these trees for sale, for both transplants, seedlings, potted trees, and larger trees if you need them. I would plant on this site small potted trees or transplants. They'll be the easiest to grow, most cost effective, and you'll get a large bang for your buck here. You could do a large area in a short amount of time. If you need help or assistance in establishing trees or shrubs for your habitat and deer cover, give us a call at 215-651-8329. We also have tree planting equipment that you can borrow if you buy large numbers of seedlings and transplants to use on your habitat. We have transplanters in Doylestown and in Milan, PA that you can use when you buy our trees and shrubs. We are located in eastern Pennsylvania, and we do ship by UPS and Common Carrier. So give us a call with your questions on how to improve the cover for your deer habitat at 215-651-8329 and ask for Bill or Mike. Thank you.